I stopped it when you said that.
Fuck, Callan.
I blew it up like twice. Alright, is it going?
It's been going. It's like 13 seconds.
That's fucking 4 times, dude. Ah, fucking shit. Wait, I killed fucking vlog. Spice. Fuck you, tree. Get the fuck out of my way.
Stop hitting that bitch.
Oh, sorry, I'm doing a fucking... Oh, God, dude, it's a fucking leaving thing. What are you doing? What if someone come up to you, fucking hit you with the fucking stick right in your back?
That would feel good.
Oh, fuck, man, what's that right there? Fucking fucking shit. Ah. Ow!
Look at this.
Dude.
That was your stick.
I got a long staff, guys.
Look at my stick.
I'm a magical wand. Oh shit!
Magic wand.
Alakazam. What should I use?
Alright, what did Jacob say?
That was Carlos.